I bet you have seen this dish all over Korea. Whether you are at a Korean barbecue restaurant or walking through a traditional market, you'll probably be able to smell the delicious aroma from afar. So today we're going to talk about doenjang. It is a fermented soybean paste that's been part of Korean dishes and cuisines for over 1,000 years. It goes way back to the time of the Three Kingdoms, and it originally was a simple soup dish that was enjoyed by villagers. So doenjang is very special to Koreans. Every region has its own version. So every bowl of Doenjang Jjigae tastes slightly different or very different. Some are milder, some are bolder, and personally, I just love the stronger ones. Anyway, Koreans often refer to this dish as a food for the soul. The rich aroma and deep umami flavor remind them of home, family, and basically their mom's cooking. I personally fell in love with this dish after trying my girlfriend's mom's homemade Doenjang Jjigae. She even makes her own doenjang paste, and honestly, it's one of the best things I look forward to every time I'm in Korea. 여자친구 어머니가 끓여주신 된장찌개가 최고예요. 먹을 때마다 마음이 정말 편안해져요. So today I'm making my own halal version, and hopefully it does justice to this incredible dish. Plus, I'm gonna share this dish with my sister and my cousin, and hopefully they will love it as much as I do. So let's head off to the kitchen right now and start cooking. Okay, today we're gonna cook Doenjang Jjigae, and we're gonna make it special for a few other people here. My sister, Yingyong, and also my cousin. So today we're gonna make a little bit more than usual. So stick around to find out more on how we're gonna cook this dish. Thank you. 2.5 onions and 6 pieces of garlic, 2 potatoes, 1 Korean zucchini, and 1 scallion, 4 to 5 pieces of shiitake mushrooms, depending on your servings, 6 to 10 pieces of black ear fungus, 2 chilies, 1 to 2 pieces of boneless chicken thigh, you can use chicken breast as well, 2 to 3 tofus, depending on your servings, Heinz chicken broth, 1 beef cube. Here we have gochujang, Korean chili paste, and doenjang, fermented Korean soybean paste. So now we chop the onions into thin pieces, mash the garlic and dice them. Then we're gonna slice the chilies. So for the zucchini, we're gonna cut them into bite size. For the potato, slice them but not too thinly. Same goes for the scallion as well. For the chicken, it's always important to remove as much fat as possible. So we're gonna slice the chicken to small chunks. Next, we're gonna slice the black ear fungus into thin strips. We're gonna cut the tofu into small little cubes so that it's easy to eat. Switch the flame on into medium heat. Put all the onions and garlic in, then pour half a cup of chicken broth into the pot. And don't forget to add the beef cube in as well. Start stirring. Add the potatoes. Continue to stir. 1 tablespoon of gochujang Korean chili paste. Stir them into the pot. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of doenjang. You can add another tablespoon of doenjang if you prefer a stronger taste. Then stir them well. Once it starts to boil, add the chicken in. Continue to stir. Make sure that the ingredients are well stirred together. Then add 1 cup of water. Stir it again, put on the lid and leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So when it starts boiling, add in the zucchini, the black ear fungus, mushrooms, and stir them well. Add in the scallions, chilies, and continue to stir. Add a bit of black pepper, and again start stirring the soup. And once you see that it starts boiling again, add the tofu in. Gentle with the stir as you wouldn't want to crumble the tofu. After that, and let it cook for another 2 to 3 more minutes. Okay, now you're ready to serve. So doenjang is a dish that will get better as time goes by. Every time before you eat it, heat it up for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then serve. The umami taste will get nicer and stronger. And thank you so much for watching this episode. And again, I hope that you will try this recipe and let me know down in the comments below. Thank you once again. Assalamualaikum.